Hi guys, in this video we will discuss about how to schedule a Facebook group post. So in this particular video we will discuss about how to schedule particular post in the Facebook group. So for that, log into your Facebook account and open your Facebook group. Here you have to give your text and link and the image. So as you are how you are publishing to Facebook group, just same. uh, Here I am giving interesting video from Arvik Tech. Here is the video link. So I am just pasting the link. I hope this video will help you. Okay, so here I am giving the interesting video. So as you are publishing these groups, so process is the same. So you have to put your test image and link. So as you are publishing, so then here you find the option to schedule. So if you just click the here post button, the post will be scheduled immediately to the group. So now we want to schedule this post into these groups. That's why here we are clicking this particular button. So after that it will ask the date and time. So here I am giving the today date itself. So and the time I am giving the around 8 to 8 so around 8 a.m. So this particular post how to schedule in this particular group. So just click the schedule button. Yeah, your post is scheduled. So just refresh the page. So just refresh this particular group. Now we can see here we can find so this group as the one scheduled post. So scheduled for today at 8 a.m. So if you want to see particular post, just click this one. So this is the process to schedule a particular post on the Facebook group. Just simple. So you have to go to that particular group, and then there you have to post your content. So like post description, link and the image. So after that you have to select the scheduling button, and then you have to select your time, and then you have to schedule the post. So this is for this video guys. So in this way you can schedule the post to Facebook group. I hope this particular video will help you. If you love this video, like up and share it with your friends. Still not subscribed to the channel, consider to subscribe. I will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.